basomu ya umwancho murigererwe getaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo bwansu bwo mu Gusingo yana litkorya undi gendrete ko bali toyere kigima nane no gendrete kwego kya soko bwati mirobero yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV ekero chire chitariki 15 cy'umutienyi oyikominarimo mu mwaka n'ebwe kiri Ibere na meronko Ibere nebere nekinga kibono cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere cyabona mu baso ekero ndayituko kwarigania eri nkomanye una nara yana kwariganirie asenchera ere yobwenge atse kinga kye kigabu nango so embeoni go umurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto aikiranire asensemo ya Samburu ase okoigorwa kwe kampani yokorosia chichuma imeyense ya Kenya igono umurai wense no aikiranire gago ase arachie kora umuyogoyo okwarigania sama ya Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchirere yo bwenge ngo koinyore na bakogendera gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube ni gora to watu wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo tweetwetera at Ndizi TV News boigo ase website ya itoni gora tonyora wetera www.ndizi.or.ke togendre kumanya manke ereteriane Everlyne Osero urtokwatira nere kwene kya wikeira sensemo imanyererio ni gakoro kwa Joshauta kabana ntugo ikomoerio Kwariganito chake Amayia ya Chinsa Isano na Ibere korwase county ya Kisii awase omukagero yo mobo ibi aiturwego ikagosiro bagima chinga kyo ndagendrete kubwenia chinkoma ase nyagetari neye magega ya barabuo konyorekana nebinte bikageire koba ebyo boibi ase sublocation ya Mwamosioma location ya Nyatieko ime ya Kitutu chache South county ya Kisii
Enoch Nyakawa Nyangena omu assistant chief Mwamosioma sub-location, Nyatieko location. Ase mambia lero, ange Chinsa 12 chia mambia. Nanyora amangana, kwetra sisi, wasi mutuke nyoreke iyo kunjuli ya sumurua. Nge vijana bibere, bila abegati miaka 21 na 19, batokira ase kenyoro kiaye, bakagire uitwa. Oyo moni ga sireti umabwaye, lakini Mungu kwa narenge.
Panga kwenda kufanya kazi yangu. Nikapata ripoti ya ghafla ya kwamba mtoto amekufa. Huyo mtoto nimefika hapa. Ni kijana anaitwa Edwin. Ni mtoto wa sister yangu mkubwa. So ndio tukaandamana tukafika. Enyewe nimefika na nimempata amekufa. So wakati nilimpata amekufa, alikuwa anaangalia pande ya jini. Ni mimi mwenyewe nilimgeuza, nikamtazama uso, nikapata ni yeye.
Unenchire mo yogo konya abarundi abechipikipiki anene ime mu Chobosongo kwegenderere bya ase amatukari bosyo baniga serikali ya county ya Kisii yachakire bene ekyombe kya barundi ekyo kerachie ko bakonya kegima muroberio yo nigogenderete gokorekana ase geti kya Gusii stadium ime mu Chobosongo awase abana bodaboda abange babere bagwekirana na muroberio yo nigokageire korawa no mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati. Hora bati yoruwa no mwancho murigererio murikyo itonde mo Stephen na begete kampiororo ana manke ninki kera koreke ase chinga kichire bosyo togotigana nayo nigo yarokanire buna orogongorwa Africa na bororati weisiko ase omusangerekano bwo kwanira igoro yamangana yogo chincha kwerire ayo arokanire ko bomuchando ase chinsemo au muroberio gosomusangerekano kageire ko yararitkolya rero asensemo ya Sharm el Sheikh ime ya Misri nonyana eyamagega yokonyorekana sare nene na boigo ogusariwa kwebinto Chinse au nigo kwabirwa komentakana ase ekerengo keigoro kobwatkana no muchando ibogo chencha kwerire.
At this late stage of the COP27 process, there are still a number of issues where progress remains lacking, with persisting divergence views amongst parties.
The most effective way to rebuild trust is by finding an ambitious and credible agreement on loss and damage and financial support to developing countries. The time for talking on loss and damage finance is over. We need action.
Developed nations must not ignore the demand from developing nations to establish a loss and damage finance facility to help developing nations recover from the adverse effect of climate change.
We cannot continue to deny climate justice to those who have contributed least to the climate crisis and are getting hurt the most. Now is a moment for solidarity.
Umuwaziri bw'ebyombe au gose cooperative Simon Chelugui nigakwaneire gusabwa tukira roboti igoro y'umuroberio wa Slafand uyorengete gokonya abaunchoreri gusaba unchoreri abakabake kwegenderera bya asingakiye cyo Chelugui nigatebire buna gosinigaborira abantu tibabasa kuoboa ryo yotoganetie ryo abantu kwerikia kurendeneke bande yoka kiganeire eryo muntu konyorobo konyogo.
The personal finance product between 500 shillings and 50,000 will be available for lending. It will be repaid in 14 days and the 8% interest rate will be calculated on pro rata basis or on a daily basis. The other revolutionary aspect of the fund is the saving component. Everyone borrows. Every time one borrows, 5% of where the money earns interest. In addition, for every shillings two saved, the government adds 1 shilling. This will of course boost national savings and also provide those who borrow from Hustlers Fund some cushion for a rainy day. Unlike many financial products that require a lot of paperwork, guarantors or collateral, among other hurdles, borrowers will face no such roadblocks. The finance will be assessed on our mobile network or our mobile numbers.
Umuwaziri bw'obonchorerya Moses Kuria nigatero bune serikali nebegetemero bereisaine yogo cyako babwatania abaonchorerya naboigo ababwatani kurwase Chinsa unenchira gokino bonchorerya naboigo gokinya uchumi yense ya Kenya.
We have a State Department for Investment and our nominee PS Abubakar Hassan, who is also one of you, currently serving as a Director for Market Operation of the Capital Market Authority, is in itself manifestation again about the government's commitment and recognition.
Na senchire moyo kworobya obosombya sechpara nigo umuwaziri bw'oburendi bw'ime Kithure Kindiki aenekeirie abakenya buna serikali nebegetemero bereisaine yoko enekia buna chipara chiabeire gosobosombya sechpara bwabeire bokororobiwa anene ase ogokiani okubeka amawa ase chipara nabego gokonya abanyanyimbo asikorwase ogotenena ase chipara segeka nigatebire buna nigo barachie kobeka chikamera chia CCTV ase chipara ntokera bekego konya ogotaichurira na wechigari ekerobono chiabeire chigoteneniwa erio korigereriwa.
Serikali inanuia kuondoa maneno ya roadblock kwa barabara, lakini hiyo itachukua muda kwa sababu lazima tuwe na mpango wa kuintroduce cameras IC3 facilities in our roads, ndiposa mambo ya traffic to reduce. We need to reduce our police officers standing on the road for the whole day, even if they are not taking bribes. That in itself, when they stand there the whole day, stopping vehicles, inspecting vehicles, and whatever. So we need to improve that aspect of road safety management by installing cameras, but also reducing what traffic police can do. There are ways of even having a few roadblocks which will remain necessary, because of the threats that our country continues to face from terrorism and trafficking in persons, which is in certain areas. So we'll need a few roadblocks.
Amarieta y'abantu kianda kurwase amarieta y'abantu 15 abo bachoretwe naro kaitiwe eryo chigotenenerense ya Kenya ombeki ya East African Legislative Assembly yara batano noni go bakurwase omurengo o Kenya kwanza awase bane bakurwase omurengo o Azimio la Umoja One Kenya.
From the Kenya Kwanza Alliance Coalition, the 5 persons who will represent Kenya in the East African Legislative Assembly are as follows. 1, Hassan Omar. 2, Kering Zipora Chesang Kurgat. 3, David Olesankok. 4, Mwangi Godfrey Maina. And 5, Iman Falhada Deko. And I go on to read those who are the successful candidates and will represent Kenya in the East African Legislative Assembly from the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition. 1, Kalonzo Kennedy Musyoka. 2, Odinga Imgad Winnie. 3, Kega James Mathenge Kanini. 4, Shabal Suleiman Said. Thank you, honorable members.
Ababwatani betsemi korwa sensemo ya Kiharu imeye county ya Murang'a nigo bagendete gukwanira iguru y'umuroberio OCBC oyo bagokeire mono na watana nigo rachigokonya abana ase amatukare bosyo aya nigo bayakwana chinga kibekera nase umusangirekano bwa masabo y'abana ba grade 6 na bayigo grade 8 abacho ikaransa samatemu amanene yo mwako yoiga ase skuru ya St Martin imeye county yo ya Murang'a askeria baganirie abana ba grade 6 grade 7 na boigo grade 8 gutigara ase chiskuru cyoboroso asikeria batebire buna chiskuru cyoboroso nigo kibwatebira ase binge kere korengani wane chiskuru cy secondary.
Are now witnessing the first class, the pioneers, the grade 6 pioneers, doing their national exams this year. We already got into the system as a church and we embraced this new system that endeavors to grow, not just to grow the learners, not just academically, but also in terms of other abilities that they have. So as a church we have embraced this and we continue to support the government in this endeavor to realize the dreams of these young ones.
Ningependa sisi kama wazazi wa grade ya 6 watoto wetu waweze kuendelea na masomo yao katika shule ya msingi kwa sababu kule ndiko tunakupata vyumba ambapo wanaweza kusomea na pia walimu wameweza kufunzwa kuhusu elimu hiyo au mtaala huo wa umilisi. Naongea hivyo kama mzazi na pia kama mwalimu wa shule ya upili kwa sababu changamoto tulionayo katika shule za upili ni kwamba hatuna vyumba vya kutosha. Isitoshe walimu hawajaweza kufunzwa kuhusu mtaala huo wa umilisi.
Abakori meremo asensemo yobocheno imeye county ya Kakamega nigo baganirie abanyagitari komentwa ase chinyagitari cy'iserekari eriyo wikirania obokoreri borobwororo gocyase abananchi gukwana segekaro ky'abanyagitari nigo boigo baganirie chinyagitari kwagachwa sobonge na boigo obokoreri bwekadi ya NHIF kurigereriwa.
We are doing a bi-weekly sessions partnering with Inuka Africa. So that we are doing what we call mental wellness trainings. And we are doing what we call mental wellness coaching. So that if anybody is feeling unwell, or if anybody is under pressure, if anybody has some distress, we have mental health coaches whom we are engaging to be able to coach nurses so that we can be able to avoid issues of mental and psychological problems.
Ili kufanikisha UHC program ni muhimu mambo mawili. Ya kwanza kupata wahudumu wa afya ambao wanatosha katika sehemu zetu za afya kama ni zahanati, kama ni hospitali nyingi ama gatuzi nyingi wameekeza katika kujenga hospitali na dispensaries, lakini hiyo pia inakuja na gharama yake ya wafanyikazi. Na sisi kama wauguzi tunaonelea kwamba kwa sasa hatuna wauguzi na ama wahudumu wa afya wa kutosha.
Chinga kia serikali gendrete kubika emiruberio eisaine koene kiabuna aba Kenya nene bali abokonyora wainsengo chabare gokonyeka weterase omuruberio o Asla Fund nigobono igatia aba Kenya bagendrete wesokia na kubwatuka ebirengerero byabo igatia aba nainchi korwase county ya Mombasa nigo bakwaneiro omuruberio yo naotena nigo orengete gose nigo baganitio chigokonya abaria bale abokonyora wainse na talia bali babwate okonyora wekerengo kia iguru.
FAD will cater for all different types of people. Ordinary people who are doing businesses, people who are doing business startups, people who are starting businesses, people who want to expand their businesses, people who also want to, even farming. Farming is also a business. Even those who are in the farming business will also be assisted. Those who are small-scale traders will also be assisted. So this fund is for everybody. That is why we are calling it Financial Inclusion Fund.
Kuna masuala mengi yamejitokeza, yameibuka, ni kwamba definition haswa nani ni hustler. Kwa sababu ukiangalia kile kiwango cha mtu ambaye anaitwa hustler kimewekwa juu sana, kwa hiyo base kubwa ya hustler ni kiwango cha chini zaidi. Kwa hiyo kama sisi kutoka Mombasa na katika Women Enterprise Economic Hub tumeamua kwamba tutataka kujua ile base ya hustler haswa ni base gani, kwa sababu hustler si mtu mwenye milioni 30 wala sio mtu mwenye milioni 3. Hustler ni mtu mwenye pengine labda kwa mwaka anaweza kutengeza 100,000 ama 50,000.
Omwanchi omuriereri goikira igano ngukorera Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere enchira ere yobwenge korende na mange togenderete gukobwateria ayora chikonyora se enchira yobwenge chikoraga Chinsa 10 na wiga se enchira yobwikiranu ekerera ragense yemo na wigo Chinsa isato cha mogoroba gobono ngo gwakira ngambia mona sogochora kurigereria Ndizi TV na bobwansu bomogusii wigo ritkoria lero ekerorire ritko na segeta seni kya Ndizi TV ekerobono togochengera obokoreri bwo mwako yomo korwagesa togenda asembeo no gwakira ngambia mwono nayo mwanchi omurigereria ase ogosira kwao kwabeire gokorwa gochase getaseni kya Ndizi TV kwene kiabuna gose kwene kiabuna onsi abeire kago ikirani wabuna ebwenerete gokuganeria oburigereri borobye kana ngokwenyoria buna nabokuganira gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo tweetwetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website ito nigora tonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gusanga mankeri tariane Everlyne Osero ulitoka kubatirana nere kwene kia wikira sensemo imanyererio nigakorokwa Joshua Uta twaro boligereri borobya na boigo omubasuro motoereru.